Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Leesburg, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving over 100 miles from your current location is a long-distance move. Every long-distance move requires a lot of planning. We create a moving plan that fits our client's time frame and preference. We work with a team of expert movers. They handle your belongings with caution. They arrange and secure them into our moving trucks. Our trucks are ideal for transporting items over long distances. They keep your items safe. 3 Movers provides the best local moving services in Leesburg. A local move can be as complex as a long-distance move and require adequate preparation. Once you contact us, we take charge of the action and develop adequate moving plans. Hiring our professional local movers is a great way to save money. Although local moves are generally cheap, we provide the most affordable local moves anywhere. We charge between $30 to $40 per hour. Locals enjoy the best service at affordable rates, which is why they're quick to refer us. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Leesburg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.